Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a sort of glowy spring look, and this has basically been like my go-to look over the past few weeks. This is what I've been wearing an awful lot, and it looks kind of similar to some other tutorials I've done before, but it's like a combination of like lots of my favourite different products, and yeah, this is basically what I've been wearing like all the time. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and let's go ahead and get into it. Laura Geller Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in Champagne. You know the drill if you've watched any of my other videos, but I literally do use this primer like every single day. So yeah, I'm not just going to necessarily change it up all the time for the sake of it, because this is my sort of like everyday spring look, and this is really what I've been doing. I've already tried to film one video today and it's gone horrendously wrong, so I'm hoping this comes out looking cute. Rimmel Match Perfection Foundation in Light Porcelain, and I'm going to be taking that on my Rodial, the foundation brush, and I'm just going to be applying that on, and this looks really ugly until you blend it out and then it looks nice. So, you know. Well, I actually really like these kinds of foundation brushes, these sort of stippling brushes. I need to get like another one. Shape Tape, Fair Neutral, Beauty Blender, blend out. You know the drill. I should make that into a song. I'm not good at songs, so it probably would be bloody terrible. Oh god, you know when you just like, you've tried to do something once already today and you're just hoping that the second time you get it right, you know? I want to film a video today, but the first one went so horrendously wrong I had to basically give up, which I don't like doing, because then I'm just like, I have like half a video filmed and I guess I just gotta delete it and try again. So yes, I'm just blending this out, trying to not get it on my eyelashes and failing terribly. And I'm just powdering my face with the Wet n Wild Colour Icon bronzer in Reserve Your Cabana. It's broken, so I'm not going to tip it and show you the front. It's very broken. I have two more that are broken, but I want to actually use as much of that up as I can before I throw it away. Okay, I'm going to get in with the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm going to take the shade Eden and then go on to Amber and just start putting them through the crease. And I'm just going to put a bit of the Too Faced glitter glue on my lid. I'm now just going to take the shade Angelic and mix in a little bit of Nefertiti and just pop that on the lid. I'm also just popping a bit of this on the inner corner. Okay, and I've been doing a slightly smaller winged liner recently, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that, and it might end up massive, but I'm going to try and keep it small. Okay, so we're done with the wing. That might not look that small to you, but it's kind of small for me. I'm just going to put some of the, what brand is this? I can't remember what it is. The Miss Baby Roll mascara, I think, is it the L'Oreal one? I can't remember which one this is from, if it's from Maybelline or L'Oreal, but it's the Miss Baby Roll mascara. I'm now just going to take the shade Throwback from the Smashbox Ablaze palette, and I'm just going to run that under my lower lash line. I've already done this side, and I'm just going to sort of smoke it out a little bit. And I didn't used to do this, but I kind of like the way it looks now, but just like very lightly and like softly blend it out. And now I'm just going to take this Smashbox Soft Light like highlighter. I've used like loads of this. I really love this highlighter. I definitely want to get a new one when I run out of this. I'm just going to really glow out my skin. I've been into like a lot more of a glowy look lately, like with foundation and with highlighter. But this is like, this highlighter doesn't look powdery or glittery. It's just like that, I don't know, like very, like almost like wet look, I suppose. And it always looks really smooth and like doesn't emphasize texture. So even if you go like a little bit overboard with it, it like works because it sort of looks, I don't know, like it can be really bit up and be really bright, but it's not like, you know, sort of fakey looking. Now I'm just going to take the Pixie by Petra Shea Butter Lip Balm. This doesn't have a colour, but I've been using this like every day. I think it's supposed to be like one of those universal colours. It's definitely like a my lip sort of better sort of colour. But I've literally been using this every single day. Okay, and we are done with this makeup look. I'm sorry if this seems kind of like similar to like some other looks I've done before, but this really has been like my go-to look for sort of spring. And I've been wearing this makeup look or something very, very similar like loads over the past few weeks, so I just thought I'd share it with you, and I've been literally wearing this lip colour like every single day. I definitely recommend checking this out if you wanted to. I like got something stuck in my throat then. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!